Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about Data Security Administrator. What is his role going to be and what are the pay scales which he or she is being paid in India and in major other cities in India. This is going to be just on an average basis, so don't just stick on to the amount. Before we head into the actual definition of a Data Security Administrator, we will now first understand what is data security. So looking up to the definition of a data security, it is a process through which you should be able to understand to protect your data from unauthorized access and also other data corruption. So you should understand various other access which are being unauthorized, which are trying to pervade or intrude into the data which is you are being aligned with, and bringing out security measures and implementing them appropriately. Saying no to this data corruption is one of the major key element or the task that a data administrator does. So this is called data security. So what does a data security administrator do? We will now first look into the definition. A data security administrator will be primarily being considered or will be concerned about security databases and other sources of data, which includes all of the documents, stores and other individual user accounts. So unlike with that, all of the details like your card numbers or your passwords or all of the data which is being stored, all the stored data is going to be administered on until not giving up unauthorized access to the data which is being stored. So this is how the process is going to be taken up by a data security administrator. And there also has an working upon the interfaces against the unauthorized access. So this point I've just already mentioned when I'm telling you about the data security. So it is all about securing the data from corrupting it, from giving unauthorized access, or when a data is being under the process of unauthorized access, the data is being protected from all of the other links which are being intertwined with it. It is giving an intrusion for protection against the unauthorized access. The next section is going to be about the skills that a data security administrator should have. So before I list down the skills or tell you down what is mentioned here on the screen, I'll be telling you what does the skills have to do with major key components. So as being a data security administrator, you should understand various other implementation of technical policies of the data and how it is being implemented. The technical policies of the data should be implemented in accordance with the company's regulations. What are the policies which are being used and how are they being affected to the website or to the data which is being presented or which is being implemented. So this is a stage-wise process that a data security administrator should understand. And the second most foremost thing that which is aligned with the same role is designing various other technical policies and along with that giving security to those databases. So this is considered as the two most critical processes that a data security administrator should undergo. Heading over to the skill set part, these are aligned with the skill set here. Having a deep understanding about the IT infrastructure so that you would understand what are the data processes and what are the databases that are being used to that particular company or website, which includes protocols, operating systems and other networks which are being interlinked with all of the company's working. Then packet shaper, load balancer and also proxy server knowledge is the prior key roles that data security administrator should be aware of, and also having an intermediate to expert level wise detection of the system and how the data is being accessed, and also should know the prevention of the systems from giving out the data to other accesses. So these are the key skill set or these are the key assets that a data security administrator should inculcate with. The next section is going to be, what does this person do? So if you want to become one, if you want to have just a brief outlook about the person of a data security administrator, you would be understanding through these points. Managing team SharePoint procedure document site. So documentation, reporting are the two tasks that the person should be doing, and also utilizing emergency procedures and also the crisis management, which is going to be an essential part again, physically managing clients and also the medical situations. So as to how the data is being processed through various other networking sites, or how it is being implemented, and how the user is being given the assurance as to how the data is being protected under security measures and the policies which are implemented through operational point of view, has to be taken in charge by a data security administrator. And the next is maintain SOX and HIPAA and also other sorts of relevant networks which are aligned with this. So these are the major things or major roles that the data security administrator will be implemented into. The next one is going to be about how you can become one. Now that you have got a brief outlook about the role, you would be now understanding how you can become one apart from your academics and other specializations. You can inculcate these relevant processes or stages in your entry-level jobs or from your entry-level positions itself. So once if you keep implementing these, you will eventually grow as an administrator and also in a very professional manner. So the first is having experience in different roles such as computer operator or a network administrator. So you should be having an alignment with the roles which are mentioned here. Having an alignment will give you exposure and it will help you to understand various other networks. It will enable you to build up what are the different procedures that you can do while framing up the technical policies as well. The next one is you should understand the router and also the firewall configurations, so that when you are working with the other operating systems and implementing them, you would be assessing the data as how it is being placed and processed. The next one is about knowing all the Windows and Linux operating systems. So you should also understand and have a mere knowledge about them, and must also know the protocols which are included in all of the other networks or all of the other operating systems which are being used by the administrator. And the next one is going to be about the job roles which are in the career path. So various other job roles are aligned with this, which are setting up system processes and other user accounts within the parameters of the system. So aligning with the documentation and the reporting part, you would also know how the data needs to be processed. So the processing of the data along with the parameters or the policies is very important, as it plays the crucial role. Next, it is about designing and implementation of the technical policies. So being a data security administrator, doing up or documenting the technical policies is very important, unless and until the user is not given proper assurance as to how the data is being protected. So that is why knowing appropriate or implementing appropriate technical policies on the business perspective or the networking or company's perspective is very important. Auditing the user access and also other activities from log files. So this is another major task, or you can say a work load that the person will be doing. Now that you have understood a brief outlook about a data security administrator, we will be now heading over to the pay scales and how are they being paid. Now this pay scales or their salaries is just on an average basis. It will be differing from company to company. Don't just stick on to this one number that I'm mentioning to you. The source is taken from PayScale. If you want, you can check their website as well for if you want any detailed information regarding their pays. On an average basis in India, a data security administrator is being paid around 5,24,000 per annum. So this is a very good start off, not just from an entry level, but if you having the right skill set and other various networking interlinks which are being associated with the role, you can further develop into a very good pay range according to the clients that you are being landing up with. And here is a leap of your career growth. Over the years, this is how your graph is going to be if you are having a right proper set of implementation with the just of the job roles that I have just mentioned you. towards the job role. So in implementing the appropriate roles or the skill set in regards to the role, your career is going to take a leap over first year from writing from an entry level job, which is going to start off with a good basic start. So it is not just having a mean growth or a basic level growth, but it is starting off with a very good pay range, landing off with 5 years, which is giving up a very good exposure and a landing, taking you a leap of height of around, when you land up in around 10 to 20 years, it is going to be landing you in a very good space of development. The next is going to be the place of Mumbai, which is going to have a very good exposure of various other inculcating with other national, international companies which are associated with it, and you would be working out with very good organizations. So the pay scale in Mumbai for a data security administrator is going to be 3,50,000. So that is going to be not only just from an entry level, it can also be somewhere in between if you have like 2 years of experience or 3 years of experience or something, or if you have relevant other specifications or specializations, you can also give an add-on or a weightage to your resume. And the next one is going to be in Hyderabad, which is having a good settlement for the south. So over the south, Hyderabad is having a very good, on an average basis, a good range of level of pay, as it is giving you 4,50,000 per annum. So that is a very quite a good range from the south. And in Bangalore, it's going to be around 4,15,000, which is almost nearing. Again, this is going to be differing. And the next one is in Pune, which is going to be the top notch of exposure for data security administrator, because various other companies and various other organizations are being aligned. If you want to start off your career, you can have a major look out there. And it doesn't matter where you start off as an entry leveler, it is where you land up in. So the place Pune is going to be giving you around 8 lakhs per annum. And the next is in Chennai. So again, over the south, along with Hyderabad, Chennai is also having its quite a range of pay, which is 7,59,000. So that is also a very good start off for this particular role. And if you have any other opinions or any other suggestions, you can place them in the comment section. And stay tuned for more videos regarding career. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.